Hey yo, as you already know, it's your boy Superstar Karma, and we are here again with another episode of Invade Extreme here. Shout out to Sunbed Entertainment.
Yo, but wait.
Charlie, say hello to them. Let me say hello. Oh,
Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Gertrude, but you can call me Cutie.
which socials can we meet you on? Charlie? Any socials? Yeah, on Snap.
Not for now.
Charlie, I'll show you for my mom. I'll see you.
Want to hang out around KFC and just discuss about some topics we planned on talking about. So I'll just let my superstar come and go on to it. So bro, more
So basically, the first question we have is, what's your red flag in a lady? The lady is also going to give us a red flag in a guy. Charlie, I get my boy for a AMGR rap, yeah.
You already know Superstar come I've already said it all. Go by the name AMGR. And my red flag in a girl is so simple and loud. I actually don't like a girl who is so loud in public, uncivilized or casa anyhow. Nah. I actually don't go with those character of guys that must be kind of different. Gets as a lady that you have to be civilized. Yeah, your teeth and everything for always they intact with you, but regardless, yeah.
Charlie. Me, as for me, let's get to Charlie. You go mention him, may tell you.
Hi, so it's your boy Travis, coming from Timai. Travis, so basically my red flag is someone who's very disrespectful. If you are very disrespectful, it's a turn off. Like as a lady, you have to have that kind of respect for your man. You don't have to always talk anyhow, behave anyhow. You have to get that kind of respect. If you are kind of like I don't care because it's your man, so you can easily disrespect him. Nah, it's a turn off. Hi, Chaya.
Let's say, and I guess now I'm bored, you know. Someone had to one semper. Charlie, 1G. You already know 1G, yeah. Therefore, what be a red flag? 1G. His name is 1G. Therefore,
Media. Get ready, ask plenty money there, my red flag. Boy,
but plenty money like that. But you see fine is this fine girl way they there. If they ask plenty money, I see the way they make fine it
no,
for there.
no,
You know
no.
this is be expensive to look good, bro.
It be too
Why you won't complain?
No,
See,
you see.
so if she say give her $1 million, for can you give her, bro? To meet you,
Yeah, I'm getting for there. Charlie.
Mukui for no.
Hey,
Mukui atasa.
Charlie Muki Atasa Furo.
Oh no, Charlie.
no. You say me want so ya. No be say I don't get money or something. No. I just say we get some girls before they are. You know, love they ask money too much. But we get way for respect your boy. You understand?
But you know, see, at times, them go feel hide them. Them go hide them.
They
I
will
be
hide
down.
what?
They on be hide, you know. From the onset, they just go do like, oh, then they play along with you. You shut down beside, you shut down yes. But as you enter the relationship inside, no, not tell why they were chill, she kakra, with ya. The payment ready. You know what?
The payment be normal.
The one they pay.
For me, the girl really ask plenty money there be slow giving.
Your man they pay.
Why you
That one
go inside?
The payment ready.
They
You
get
get
limit.
it. Me like this, I go fit budget like okay, 1K. They surely they make me a say 1,000 cities within 1 week. Maybe within 1 week. Say a budget, me a budget.
Weekly money, girlfriend allowance, no monthly pay. Hey,
It's your own. It's your own.
if you don't have a son, no akwakofa. Sanity.
So Gertrude, what be your red flag in the guys? Basically, I don't want to.
My red flag in a guy is a guy who lies. One, pressure. A guy who give pressure and pecker, and a guy who talks too much. Kasa bebre, me pe kasa bebre.
Hey, hold on. I want to.
Alright, Nitro, I just want to ask you a simple question. What do you mean by too much? If you say a guy talks,
Oh, you see, there are some guys where maybe you are in my DM, obepe me. Obeka nyoma, as in something be our person impressive be. I don't like it. Just go straight to the point. When peka sabi
Relax. So let me give you an example. For instance, maybe I sleep with my parents. I just can't come to your DM. You know I want to catch you up, so I have to do something to impress you. I can't tell you I sleep with my parents. You understand?
Me, I'll tell you. I mean,
Oh, no. If I tell you I sleep with my parents, even if you got some feeling for me, you go tear. So I for you to steal
no,
a
it's
certain
them.
kind of
Okay,
side.
you live with your parents now.
Yeah.
Sikane bar. Me, I'm a type. I don't know how to ask. If you are my boyfriend, I won't say, oh, guy, you are on him. Say, oh, me get honest. Some man, if you are weak, be on fire. It is a whole so I mean, you stay with your parents. At least, if you are giving now, it doesn't matter. You are who you are. In your president,
What if I'm still with them and I'm not giving?
eh?
What if I'm still with them? I'm not giving.
You're not giving man. And that's how home so yeah.
So relax. I would just want to understand something so clearly. Here. So, is your relationship a business offer or what?
Business offer.
Looking at what you are saying, it's all
Eh,
about
you
money.
now boy, no better me pay na me one time.
I relax you. So, I mean, to relax you. We don't try me say man so pair. Won't mean keep it the way
No, I'm saying with penny and I'm okay. So if you know
you have to still be okay.
no, if you know you just come in my life now, but mommy, me or boyfriend, so boy, I'm the one using my money. Then what's the use of me
Using your money to do what?
to take care of myself?
I'm also taking care of myself.
But okay, into who taking care of yourself, now we say take care of myself. Me day too, yeah. Oh, how?
It has to be hand in hand.
Eh.
We are in this together. You get it? Yeah.
If you know you're not ready to give her, let me be at my place.
You want to talk about
This not, I'm not talking about like the fact that
Say matured people no know kasa who believe bro but on kasa too much, you're asking for too much. You see, you those
my problem here is not about giving up. My problem here is about helping hand in hand.
I know.
understand?
You see, we have some people being they have some guys where if they are in a relationship, like sense be put it back to the sense of be like, oh my girl will need this thing, oh baby, take this thing for your hair, your stuff. Yeah, you see
That
those
baby
things,
girl
no?
treatment.
Yeah, but then might be one he'll be expecting a girl to come to your place. You do things and
Wash
stuff.
the-
Yeah, now. So we have guys like that. You know, take them or cassava
Oh, I see. You don't like.
pressure. I don't like that.
Boy.
Sometimes guys think about I so many the mope, I so many the mope.
Oh, that one they do. That one they do. That one
For
they
make
do.
them know say yeah.
True. That one they
So
do.
more time if you dey use them words against them, that be when you go know the type of girl you dey talk
At the
about.
bar. But what she talk when it be true, mo.
It be true.
Eh, you be nigga there. If you no say Charlie,
Where
if you
the baby girl
disrespect your
treatment,
girl,
no be every guy be
that one there. That one they be true. It be true. But if you bad man be romantic, bro.
Yeah, as for that one, it be true. Charlie,
see that,
they say, "Oh, so yeah, men they men koje."
I dey
Say, "Oh,
talk
so
there.
yeah, men
Say
koje."
they treat your man good.
Charlie, me,
They treat am good. I go treat am. If I don't treat am good, how? This is my sister. I don't want to make somebody treat am good. They about for treat my baby girl too good. They about.
Charlie, me, my red flag in a woman be say, woman wey she no get mind, like a mind of her own. If you now you know fit think for yourself, it be turn off because on the first day I can't see you, I talk to you. Then all your mind inside be money, or like you don't have any ambition or aim. After they talk, it be turn off. The convo go end for there now. And funny enough, it be then guess we Charlie. On the kasa hello, now I throw hi. Now I be saying how are you? Now I turn I'm fine. Charlie, the point no, we should build a convo from there. It vex you. Talking stage, okay. This trip na kasa no, you call DM no, na church okay. I want chop you. Sorry.
But be true. You know, be now you can't do formal letter. You know, be now you can't do and hi. My name is.
Me, I'll if you things like if you only to make sure high, not pay. Then go straight to the point.
So how do you want the guy to like get in a convo with you?
You texting me in your mind, no, then I'll person catch them.
But basically, before I was taking your number, you already know I like you.
You didn't take it from me, oh. Me, I won't give you my number.
Hey, madam, tell us all the number.
You know, with the mama, I'm making sure say I'll tell you, say, oh, text me, I won't mind you. Oh, me, I won't pick.
Hey,
So me, I'll give you. If you're my friend,
Then how are we going to build that? Okay, well, it's true. So you are not in a mood for any friendship or anything like that. That's what you're trying to tell me now.
me, I'm weird though. I'm some way.
Hey, Charlie. Charlie,
What I right now,
basically, me, I
my
dey see
mind
say-
is scat.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the money. Charlie, say we
I'm
need to
looking
card
for
there.
money.
Oko DM, no,
And
no.
that money, as you know,
Then-
on my side though.
No,
Me, my
like,
heart-
where did you say the talk? You,
No, I'm focusing on my job right now.
if I enter your DM, no, my ball 1K. It's just I bet you attention.
I want your attention. So
Well,
1K, they are
attention.
normal coins. 1K, we don't need to say.
You say no more. Now 1K. Ah, but we are more 1K. How many weeks I'll be there? 1K. Wait me the 2 days.
Oh,
2
then
days.
see. Me
2
put it
days.
in there
1K,
an
2
hour.
days.
In Bangkok, put it an hour.
Well,
me
no,
and
can
you.
no better wait. Wait nation, you don't even know, bro.
Charlie, now relationship be expensive. Wow.
Weeks have cannot be 1,000 cedis. So when you're human blend.
Hey,
I'm
Charlie, I work out.
Oh, you see,
What
what
else?
me and my
Human
friend
blend.
like this.
Human
Yeah,
blend,
the
bro.
money we spend, no. We see, say, who guy, and I'm not looking down on you, but we can do it ourselves. You get it. If you and the other mind,
Well, almost carry
be now,
almost
yeah,
carry
rush it to you.
They are ocean. They ask who we can.
Charlie, answer.
Yeah, but for do what? For the questions they mean, I get plenty questions give her. The way she dey talk, once the casa in here, most of me talk can't tell money matter. You understand? Yeah, we understand say money they do plenty things, but I know be all so at here. But right now, me what I want make she make am vivid, give you clear, give you see. If you dey plus the guy, you dey claim say I give you 1,000 cedis or something, you no go reach you. You dey understand? Where you dey spend more plus your girl. What like? So what be your green light or what the show say? What you go see in me where I go like what assurance you go give me make I feel say yeah me I dey relationship plus you.
No, see, we are talking about if me and you are in a relationship, you want me 200 cedis. I know say you are my man. We are forcing, I'm okay. But we are not in a relationship. You see, we have some guys, we are not in a but a person impressive. But yo, let me show you this thing. You see,
Let's say we are in a relationship.
I'm cool. If you give me 1,000 cedis, I'm cool than to date someone now. Oh, mommy, be
Once a while or every month.
on every man says saying.
We are
Which now I'm holding. If you have okay, if it's not even 1,000 cedis a month, if you baby a week, I'll give you like 300 cedis or 400 cedis. Manage it for me. Oh, a week, no manage it. It's normal. Yeah, I don't say we maybe. If maybe another week, banner you are not giving me, I know say be me on into now, mommy. You get it? That one we are in a relationship.
But one last thing. Charlie, make you give you shout out. Anything you want to tell you.
So guys, I'm going and my car is in. So shout out to your
Invade the stream.
Invade the Stream,
Songbird Entertainment.
Songbird Entertainment.
AFC.
My girls, and in fact, my guys, if you want any lady who does nail, lash, and stuff, I contact my baby. Okay, she's Juni's Beauty Pub. Okay, she does the best.
Wow. Charlie. Sign out. Bye.
Baby, now I want to shout out to my baby. You see, woman to my
Hustle.